So some context on this video. This was filmed in 2021 when we took possession of the property, the house. But I wanted to put it on the channel here to give you guys perspective of where it was back then. And then as you see the videos coming up, you'll see where it's at now. And then we're gonna take it from here and continue on going and renovating the property and taking you guys along with us. But now here's the video. Welcome to the new house. Super excited to be able to share this with you guys, but here it is, we're moving in. This is right in the front entry. Got this nice staircase here. Off to the right you have a mudroom. It's a bathroom, which actually is pretty unique. It's got a full shower in it. So actually this unit right now, you close this and it's an in-law suite right now. So it works perfectly for us because my in-laws live with us. And here you got somewhat of a kitchen setup. It used to be a laundry room. We will be turning it back into a laundry room and most likely doing an addition off of here that ends at the edge of the garage. So this is the side of the house. So addition would go all the way up to the end of the brick there for a separate entrance into the basement. And then you've got the garage here. Good little side yard. And then here is currently the in-law suite, living room. It's got a natural gas fireplace here. Cool little stained glass window. Sorry if the lighting and camera work is not that great. Just using my iPhone. This is a bedroom right now, but it will become my office. So this will become my office. We'll close this off. This door will stay. And then this will become the kitchen actually, and the addition will poke it out further that way, giving some more natural light. Then over here we have the sunroom, which is a very nice sunroom. Again, another natural gas fireplace. Out here, we've got a pond with some fish. And there's the backyard, which I'm sure I'll show you guys later on. I'll just give you a quick. Got a shed, pond, nice deck, pool over here. Lots of space to run around. And then some of our outdoor junk that we've moved in already. Again, all this space you'll see, and we only have one couch. So we definitely will need furniture, but we're in no rush to get any furniture. And here, so this actually is an addition, this whole portion here. So this would be the exterior wall originally, and they've bumped it all the way out here, which is great. And then over here you have the dining room and family room with another natural gas fireplace loaded up with stuff. Here you have the kitchen, which I'm not exactly a fan of how tight everything is. So we're gonna have to work on that. It'll be good temporarily in the meantime, can't complain. Bigger house, we have more space for what we need, so that's great. Appliances are actually pretty decent in here, although they took the microwave, so I'll have to double check that. And then what they've done here is they've done laundry here, but they haven't exhausted the dryer properly. They've just exhausted it into a Canadian Tire bucket. I'll show you guys that at some point in the basement. So heading on upstairs, got 4 bedrooms up here. The first one here on the right will be my temporary office while we redo the entire basement. So good size. Looks out the front so I can see who's coming. Weird thing is it's different floors all over the place. Like that's different floor, different floor, different floor, different floor. So a lot of inconsistencies that way. This is another one of the bedrooms. Good sized space. Oh, let's turn a light on so you can actually see. And this bedroom's kind of cool. It's got this nice shelving unit. Oh, that's probably for the tub access. We'll have to do some work in here. Who knows what's been really going on. There's quite a bit of work to do in the house. It looks good at first, but there's a lot of little things that we're gonna take care of. A lot of these trees are a little too close to the house, especially, where's my finger? This one. So we're gonna have to do some trimming, taking some things down. If you head over here, this bathroom's been nicely renovated. It's the boys' bathroom, so we're not gonna change anything here. Like everything's pretty good. It's jetted tub, things like that. It's nice. Linen closet. Here is the master bedroom. So nice size. Much bigger than what we have currently. I'll put a picture of my current master bedroom on the screen. Again, looking out the front. Ooh, we got some cleaning to do on this one. And current walk-in closet, which our current closet is like basically the size of this space and this, maybe even smaller. So huge upgrade for sure. And then an ensuite, which we're coming from a house where we have 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So to have an ensuite and a walk-in closet definitely makes my wife very happy, and jetted tubs in both these bathrooms. And now let's show you guys the basement, the dungeon. Now, if you're enjoying this tour so far, definitely be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button and check out some of my other videos. And definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you house updates and renos as we redo this entire house. So as I said, this is the dungeon. Everything's pretty much coming out of here. And then this is under the addition, so it's kind of strange. We may leave the window, we may take it out. But we're definitely gonna expand these windows down to about 4 feet and then add another one there. Here you've got a cold cellar, which I don't know where the light, oh, here's the light. It's a pretty big cold cellar. So that's good. In here, you've got a washroom. We'll probably keep that. Furnace room there, gotta get rid of that. This room here, we're gonna turn into an ensuite bathroom. So this will become an ensuite. Right here will be the stairs coming down from the addition. And then this will be the bedroom, but it'll also get expanded out that way. So you can have lots of natural light looking into the back of the backyard. So that's the basement. Oh, I'll show you the furnace room. Here's the furnace room. Kind of a waste of space the way they've done this whole room. I don't know if it's something we consider about taking the staircase out, but we'll see. Here's that dryer vent I talked about, going straight into this. Definitely not how you exhaust a dryer. And then there's other shoddy workmanship around here. Like, Where's the best example? I don't know. I'll find it and show you guys some other time. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. My name's David Nikila, signing off.